Thank you very much, Mr. Kran, as well as the members of the Oromia Broadcasting Network. I'm very pleased, as a matter of fact, I'm very pleased to be invited to the negotiation or the interview about the participation of the national dialogue. As a matter of fact, this national dialogue is very historic. When I say it's very historic, to the history of Ethiopia as well as in the other world, it has never occurred before. In addition to that, the participants are from different regions of the country, from different nations and nationalities. In addition to that, what has attracted me a lot and what has made it colorful as well as crucial is that participants are from various parts of the Ethiopian communities, apart from Ethiopian national and nationalities. For instance, there are intellectuals from the universities of Ethiopia as well as colleges. Knowledgeable people, I can say. There are political parties participating. There are religious leaders. There are traditional leaders. There are associations of women, different associations of women, and different other parts of the society are participating regarding to ethnic, nation, and nationality. Therefore, I can say the current ongoing national dialogue of Ethiopia is historic because it's a platform that has invited various people from the various regions of Ethiopia as well as various parts of the society. This is what has made it historic, and I can say by negotiating, by understanding each other, by listening to each other and understanding each other, Ethiopia is consulting about its future issues. And the result of this negotiation, national dialogue, will be or will pave the way for the unity of the country, the strength of the country, as well as the prosperity of the country. And this will be a crucial opportunity for the coming generation of our country, Ethiopia. Thank you.